Google My Business, what it is and why you need it. You've probably noticed that when you search some businesses or products with the search results, you get featured businesses. These are very rich results, often including pictures, maps, and reviews, and links to the websites of the featured persons or business. They are a sign that the company is working on local SEO marketing. If you are new to this channel, we provide high-quality tips for business owners and managers on how to grow their business by creating a never-ending client growth machine. If you are interested in this kind of content and would like to see more, feel free to like, subscribe, and click on that bell, or at least give a thumbs up to this video and share it. You can also get maps at the top of these results, sometimes because Google picks those companies that are nearest to you and lists them first with a nice map. This is Google My Business, a free tool that Google offers businesses so they can manage their presence on Google. Google will need to specifically verify you as a local business by sending you a pin in the post to confirm your physical address. Once this is done, your account will become up and running and become an integrated part of your local SEO marketing strategy. Adding a Google My Business account is especially important for your local search result presence, and therefore also your local SEO. It's easy to create an account and fill your details, and yet it will give you a great advantage, especially if your competitors are not local and do not have a Google My Business account. Google My Business will take information that you have entered in your free account and display it in relevant search results. This information can be your opening days and hours, your postal and physical address, your phone numbers, your business categories as you picked it in your Google My Business settings, your website address provided as a clickable link. Photos. Make your listing even more attractive. Add some photos of your business premises or products. If you operate online, some pictures including your logo and describing what you do can be very useful. This will boost your local SEO marketing by improving the click-through rate on your search appearances. Customer reviews. You should also make sure that you track and respond to customer reviews. Negative reviews will impact how many people click on your results, so try to keep them as positive as possible and also respond to negative ones with a positive attitude. Once your presence is complete, make sure that you track your company profile results using the insights provided by Google and use this knowledge to expand with Google Ads. Google My Business is an integral part of local SEO. If you want to learn how to do this, you can find a link in the description on our free Google My Business course. If you enjoyed this video, then have a look at why local SEO strategy is the first step to doubling your search engine traffic. You can find the link here. If you wish to see more of our weekly videos, please subscribe. You can find the link here. And don't forget to like, share, and comment. Especially comment if you have questions. We look through your comments and answer as many as we can.